Here's how I made this DIY tabletop Christmas tree from dowels. You're going to want a variety of dowels to start. One thick one, 3 medium-sized ones, and 2 small ones. First, cut your thick dowel to be the height that you want your tree to be, and sand that cut end. Then you're going to drill holes for the branches. I used a piece of tape to mark half the depth of the dowel on my drill so I didn't drill too far. Drill in at a 90-degree angle, and once your drill bit is established in the dowel, change it so it's at more of a 45-degree angle, how you want your branch to go, and then press your drill bit in far enough to make the hole deep enough to hold the dowel. Test it to make sure it's good, and then repeat this process over the whole trunk of your tree. Then cut your medium-sized dowels to the length that you want them to be for the branches of your tree. Once you're satisfied with your branches, it's time to add some little twigs. Repeat that process, drilling at a 90-degree angle, then shifting to more of a 45-degree angle to get little holes for your branches. Be sure to test and make sure that your dowels fit exactly in the holes. You want them to fit pretty tightly, so you have the option of gluing, but don't really have to for the integrity of the tree. I did use wood glue since I have a toddler who's going to be messing with this, and just add it to the end of your dowels and push them back in the holes. If you want to be able to store it more easily, don't glue the dowels in place. Just let them be secure in the holes so you can remove it and pack it flat in the off season. Sean made me a little base out of wood, 2 pieces of tiered wood glued together, and he drilled a hole the size of my trunk using his Forstner drill bit. Added a little wood glue and then stuck the base of the tree right on in there to dry. I really love how this turned out. It's minimalist and modern. I think it would be really cool as a big full-size tree too. Thanks for watching. Check out more details at charlestoncrafted.com.